It's one rotation. Two. It's 310. Okay, calls for, I don't know if you can see this or not. And the camshaft, it calls for 308 to 322. It's like 390 or something like that for the diesel one. So I'm gonna go ahead and check all these. I mean, this is actually a pain in the butt the way I've got this set up to turn the engine over, but I've already got it mostly set up. So I'll do them. I'm probably not gonna show it though unless I see something crazy. Two turns. On my third turn. So 12. 312 so far. $315. Okay. Done 3 so far. All in spec. Three. 315. It's in spec. One time around. Two. That's a bad way to do it, but the way this cam was hitting the indicator, it was just gonna keep falling off. But it looks again like it's 315. So far, we've got 315, 315, 312, 315, 322, or 320 actually. So far, so good. Go around twice. $314. Also, let me show you how the tool that I had to kind of this guy. It is an inch. I'll have to get that out. But anyway, I found this like a serpentine belt thing, a tool. There's just no clearance down here between this. Could not get any kind of socket in, or couldn't get much in there. Barely got this socket in there. You almost need something like this. Well, you'd wish you had some sort of ratchet on it, but you just can't get it unless you get a real ultra low socket. Maybe you can do it, or not socket, but ratchet. So that makes all this stuff so much harder. But luckily I found that and I was able to do it. If not, I thought I was gonna have to use a a chain wrench, chain strap type wrench to turn the crankshaft pulley. It's also, I still don't see any timing marks on this pulley, and kind of hope I don't, because you can't really see that pulley. Oh, there's something down there. I don't know what it is. Anyway, cam's checked out.